Welcome back everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how we can design how you can create a logo design. So this logo design I'm trying to create I got it from pinterest.com. So that website is a website, not app. So you can get design inspiration, any kind of inspiration. So just search it. Then these slippers you are seeing, I just got it online. I went to my browser and searched slippers vector, vector vector. So once you copy it here, you copy from there and you paste it here, then you quick trace it. That's how you achieve that one. So just enjoy the tutorial. Everything is well explained. So you have to delete the original one. So that's where I delete it. Then you ungroup this one. You ungroup it. So here you have to click on that. So while clicking, you have to press your shift, then click on the other leg. Or you just highlight everything, then you trim it. So you do the same thing. You can see you do the same thing to that second leg too. You highlight all of them, then you trim it, then you come back to delete the one inside. That is if you trim, because there's many methods there you can use. But if you trim it, you have to delete it. There, delete it. So now you use text tool to write the text SNDLS. That slippers that the slippers represent A slippers. And that's inspiration. You can see that that sandal it looks like A. That what do you call this thing? That white part it looks like A. So that's like creativity. So just find any font you like. So you can see the way I'm expanding it. I click on shape tool to drag it upward so that the space can increase. So I can add space. Or if you like, you can just Ctrl K it. That's Ctrl K. I Ctrl K before I can select NDLS only. I have to Ctrl K it. If I don't Ctrl K it, there's no way for me to select NDLS. I can select anyone. I can select S. I can select D. I can change anything there because I Ctrl K it. So that's the thing. So that's how you will do the second one too. You just increase the space, then you bend it. You bend it. That's how you do the thing. You just have to bend it. So me are seeing this thing, me are looking at it at this logo we are creating. You can see that what we are trying to write is Sanda is a logo design. They call it I think they call it is it a word mark? After that, you just place it on inside square. You can see it's very simple. Just control, just shift function page up on your keyboard to page it up. So if you like this video, kindly like